Hi guys, welcome to our science lab. So today we are going to be demonstrating physical and chemical changes. So you should remember what the difference is between a physical change and a chemical change. And if you watched the video before this with the notes, then you know what the difference is. But I'm just gonna demonstrate it and see if you guys can remember. So here we go. We have a few items that we need. I have my roll of paper towels. Hello, I see you. I have my baking soda, my vinegar, and I have a little scoopula to scoop up my baking soda, and I have a graduated cylinder, and I have a little plastic baggie. So what I'm gonna do is a few little tricks, or not really tricks, but I'm just gonna show you what are some things that are some physical changes and chemical changes. All right, so let's begin. Okay, so first, oh, wait a minute. I do not have on any lab safety equipment. Give me 1 second. Okay, that's better. Huh, don't I look nice and stylish? Not really, and my glasses are squished against my face with these goggles on, but oh well. It is what it is. Here we go. Let's get started. So I am all lab safetied out and we're gonna get started here. So first of all, I have this lovely roll of paper towels right here. Paper towels, okay? And I'm gonna take this roll of paper towels, I'm gonna tear a piece off. Was that a physical change or a chemical change? Any ideas? Physical change, absolutely. So now I'm going to take some of my baking soda and I'm going to take about a teaspoon. So here's my teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm going to put it on my paper towel. You can't really see this because of how the camera is, but I'm going to put it on my paper towel. There we go. Teaspoon of baking soda on my paper towel. And I'm going to take it and twist it up a little bit and then tear off the end. Oh no, I made a mess. Oh goodness, what do you do if you make a mess in the science lab? You clean it up and then tell the teacher, but what if you're the teacher? I guess I need to clean it up. Oh goodness, let's try this again. So I'm gonna take my paper towel and my baking soda. Y'all should see my table. I'll show you all the table afterwards. And wrap it up and twist it. So I have my little bit of baking soda in my little baking soda bomb package right here. Baking soda bomb. All right. And I'm gonna take this little baking soda bomb and I'm gonna put it inside this plastic bag. So there we go, baking soda bomb, plastic bag. Now, oh, I've got baking soda in my cup. So now I have my measuring cup. It's all cleaned out because the mess for my spill a second ago. So now my measuring cup, and I'm gonna take about 1/4 a cup of vinegar. And I'm very carefully going to pour. I'm trying to do this where you can see it. I'm going to pour and measure 1/4 a cup. Just gonna be right about there. So you can see, oops, here we go. There we go, that way. 1/4 a cup, and let me put my lid back on that, and I'm gonna move this stuff over. Ooh, vinegar. The smell is interesting. Okay, so now I have my area clean, and I'm ready to perform my experiment. So I'm gonna take my vinegar, and I'm gonna pour it in my bag. Well, let me not put that in there yet. Okay, so I'm gonna pour my vinegar in my bag very carefully. It's kind of hard to hold up and do. Here we go. There we go. Then I'm gonna take my little bomb and put it up here at the top. And I'm not mixing, you can see I'm not trying to mix the vinegar and the baking soda just yet because I want to seal the bag. There we go. So now I have it sealed and I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. Okay, what's going on there? Can you see what's going on inside that bag? I see some bubbles. Can y'all see that? You see the bubbles happening? Look, the paper towel has swollen, and look at the bag. The bag is filling up. I don't know how much it's gonna fill up, but the bag has filled up so much that, oh no, it's gonna bust. It's gonna bust, it's gonna bust. Ah! Probably ought to pop that open before it explodes everywhere. Whew. And of course you can see all the bubbles. You can see it filled up very big and it was about to explode everywhere. So how do we know what kind of change is happening here? So let's take a look. Ooh, I can hear all those bubbles. Can you hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. I can hear it. So we've got all these bubbles going on, and bubbles are one of the main signs that let us know that this is a chemical change, okay? Bubbles also tell us that a new gas has been produced. So I took a solid, which was this white powder, and a liquid, which was this clear, smelly liquid, and I mixed the two together, and look, it's filling up with air again, and ended up with a bubbly, smelly gas. It still smells like vinegar, but it's pretty nasty. So that is an example of a chemical change right there. So one of the physical changes we did was tearing paper, right? Physical change. And then now we're gonna look at a piece of ice melting. So I want you to take just a minute and look at a piece of ice melting. And it's a time-lapse video, so you can watch it, and then we'll talk about it here in just a minute. That was our demo for our chemical change and physical change. So see you shortly. Bye. Okay, so do you guys want to see the mess that I made when my little baking soda bomb exploded everywhere? Holy cow, it went everywhere. What a mess I have. Time to clean it. And one more thing. When you're cleaning up your mess in the lab, you have to keep your lab equipment on, your lab safety equipment on, until everything is completely cleaned up. All right, bye.